The segment is sponsored by Otalis Salon. If you want to switch up your hair for the holidays, AnneMarie from Otalis Salon is here to show us how flawless hair extensions can look. Welcome to the show, AnneMarie.
Thank you. It's always great to be here.
We love when you're here. You brought some beautiful models with you. All three of you, your hair just looks stunning. How seamless are extensions?
Yeah, they can be so flawless and seamless. You can see from our models that they already look so beautiful and so natural, just like if it was their hair. And our cute redhead over here, hers are custom colored. With this method,
you can hardly see that.
Yeah, and so this one shows the bead. So with our other one, this is our hidden bead, and so it's really great for those that like to wear high ponytails or have thinner hairlines that tend to normally show the extensions.
Okay, if you're like pulling your hair up, that's really helpful. Okay, How can we find the best hair for our extensions?
Yeah, we have our own hair manufacturer, so we have hair in-house, and it's phenomenal. The quality is highest that you can get. The longevity of wear is anywhere from 6 to 12 months.
Wow.
If you're really great at taking care of them, you can even get longer out of it.
Okay, so let's be good at taking care of our extensions. Speaking of that, how do we do that the best way?
Yeah, so you want to make sure that you're oiling them regularly. So the natural oils from the scalp don't reach the ends of the hair extension. So making sure that those are hydrated, using the highest quality products will also make the longevity even better and keep them healthy longer.
Okay, using good products. That makes sense. Okay, how often do we need to get them changed out or moved up?
Yeah, every 8 weeks is pretty standard. And so with that, it's pretty low maintenance on, you're not in all the time, and that keeps them really fresh, your hair healthy, so there's no worry about anything with the hair extensions.
That's true. Oh, and you know what? New hair for the holidays.
Yes.
It's a great time, right?
Yes. It's perfect if you're looking for that gift for yourself, or, you know, new year, new you, if it's not for the holidays. So yeah, it's every time is a good time to have hair extensions.
Yes, year round, absolutely. Yeah. Okay, tell us about your hair extension giveaways.
Yes, so we are doing a giveaway. All you have to do is book an appointment within any of our 3 locations, and it can be any appointment. And so just when you're booking online, just put in KUTV-new guest, and that will automatically enter you into the giveaway, and we will be drawing for that the first week in January.
Okay, amazing. Best of luck to everyone. Okay, tell us about your gift card special too.
Yes, we have a promo that is buy 1 gift card and get a bonus card for yourself, or if you're also looking to give that away, it just kind of helps with the budget. So really great deal to be able to find that like last minute holiday gift.
Sure, that's a nice promo. Okay, why are you guys the best salon in town?
Yeah, so obviously our stylists are the best of the best, and we have full reclining air massage for the shampoo chairs, so it's really heavenly and amazing, and you just get an experience tailored to yourself and exactly what you want, and so that really just sets us apart.
Sure, and you can look like this. You can look amazing. Yeah. Okay, where can we go for more information and to book an appointment right now?
Yes, so if you go to otalis.com, that's definitely the easiest and best way, so you can book online, or if you prefer, there's contact numbers for each location, and you can just give us a call.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, and models, you look amazing.
Yes.
You look so beautiful. Thanks for being here, and happy holidays, AnneMarie.
Thank you, you too.